Hi, welcome to my Solo Ads Embeds review. What is Solo Ads Embeds all about? Solo Ads Embeds is a strategy which uses other people's videos to make profits. It's a video help businesses increase brand awareness by 70%, traffic by 51%, sales by 34%. The outcome is amazing. The key to the popularity lies in their relative ease to engage with both prospects and clients across multiple platforms. Small businesses, entrepreneurs are increasingly using videos to attract, convert, and retain new customers with great success. Video boosts conversion sales. Videos show great ROI. There is return on investment. Videos build trust. Videos appeal to mobile users. Videos can explain everything in detail. Videos engage even the laziest buyers. Videos can be used to get leads, pre-sell, sell any type of offers, producing products and training. You can leverage the power of videos and solo ads without any of the hard work. Needless to say how important it is that videos come into online marketing, especially if the goal is to educate, pre-sell, or sell stuff online. But not many people have the time or skills to make attractive videos for every promotion they do. And I get it. I don't like making videos either, and this is why I use other people's videos by embedding them to my own marketing. Like that, I can convey the information I need in video format without making the videos myself. By combining the power of video with solo ads, you cannot not make money because you are using the lowest cost of traffic while letting other people's video do the educating, the pre-selling, and selling for you. The method you are about to access does not require any work from you. It's all copy and pasting and setting up one time in less than 30 minutes. This is all about getting leads and letting the automation do its thing. Now, I don't know how you feel about it, but I like saving time when I set up income systems. I truly hate trading my precious time for money. I started my solo ads business so I could have more time on my hands and more money in my pocket. Otherwise, I may as well just get a regular 9 to 5 job, right? I mean, we all want more time and more money, wouldn't you agree? So this is why I think you will love my new exclusive training that shows you exactly how I profit by using solo ads and other people's videos. If you buy solo ads and bits, there are 5 amazing modules covering everything you need to know about getting sales from solo ads and using YouTube embedded videos. Module 1, you will find the right thing done for you, high quality videos you can embed via YouTube that will help you convert cold leads into red hot buyers. When you grab solo ads embed, the first thing I will show you is to find the right types of video you can use to get people engaged in whatever you are promoting. I will also show you the best 8 niches with 8 examples in which it works best for you to make maximum profits. It's 100% copy and paste. And in module 2, setting up your lead capturing funnel. Part 1, creating your email list with video embedding method. Part 2, uploading your email campaign. Part 3, creating your opt-in form and lead capturing page. Part 4, how to track your opt-ins and monitor the quality of your profit. One-time setup is 100% copy and paste. Required time to set up is 15 to 20 minutes. And you have module 3, driving traffic to get leads and make profits. I will show you how to make a tracking link to track your opt-ins. I will show you 2 different solo ads sources you can use to profit fast. It's 100% copy and paste. Required time to set up is 3 minutes. Module 4, how to 10x your profits by copy pasting your way to financial freedom. In this module, I will show you exactly how I 10 times my video embedding profits effortlessly. I will show you how you can generate even more sales from the same leads. I will also show you how to scale up. It's also 100% copy and paste. Module 5, alternate method that gets you even more sales effortlessly. When you grab solo ads and Embeds, I go the extra mile to show you an alternate method to make even more sales. This trick can also be used in your email campaign and in your email broadcast. I could make this part of the training a separate one-time offer, but I prefer giving you all the edge you need right from the get-go, so you can profit as soon as today. I can assure you that you will thank me later for showing you this untold method. It's 100% copy and paste also. Get solo ads and Embeds today at the price of $17. Click the link below in the description page and you will get the vendor bonuses which the vendor has prepared for you. Bonus number 1, guaranteed affiliate approval. Although it's optional to promote us, everyone who buys solo ad and Embeds gets automatically approved as an affiliate. This offer converts well with solo ads, and inside the training I will show you how and where to use your affiliate link. It's 100% copy and paste. Bonus number 2, 7 days email campaign that gets you sales on complete automation. When you grab solo ad and Embeds, you will also get the complete promotional email campaign I personally use to sell solo ad and Embeds. This bonus is useful if you want to generate commissions by selling solo ads and Embeds as an affiliate, because you don't need to write your swipes from scratch, making it copy paste for you. If you plan on promoting solo ad and Embeds, this will save you lots of time. It's also 100% copy and paste. Bonus number 3, unlimited one-on-one support by Michael Zeros. I do not hide behind an email address. I do not hide behind a chat support. I do not let you hanging. At the end of the day, you will get amazing support if I can actually talk to you either through Skype chat or Facebook chat. And I love it when people ask me for support. It shows me you want to succeed, and that makes me happy. And you will get bonus number 4, Michael Shira's solo community is and mastermind. Benefit of solo ads discounts. Choose from a variety of solo ads sellers. If you are a traffic seller or becoming one, you can post your traffic spots, get notified of my fresh and upcoming training before the general public will know about it. If you have questions or need support related to solo ads, feel free to post them and you will get a reply the same day, and much more. So do not delay, get solo ads today, and I let you in on a secret. If you will get a $7 discount on the exit pop-up like this. You will get a $7 discount, so $17 off $7. You only pay $10 for this product. And on top of this, I will give you my custom bonuses which I have prepared for you when you buy this through my link below. These are the custom bonuses I prepared for you. Bonus number 1 at the value of $267, the ClickBank Mastery course. You also get bonus number 2, valued at $427.95, Insurgency. Bonus number 3, Continuum done for you, which is priced at $267. And bonus number 4, the Fugo Breakout, which is at the value of $267. Thank you for watching my review video. Click the link below to get this product, to get the awesome bonuses the vendor has for you and my custom bonuses. And right now, I will bring you over to watch the video from the vendor.
I don't think I need to tell you just how important videos are when it comes to online marketing, especially if your goal is to educate, pre-sell, or sell stuff online. But not many people have time or skills to make attractive video for every promotion they do. And I get it, I don't like making videos either. And this is why I use other people's videos by embedding them to my own marketing. Like that, I can convey the information I need in video format without making the videos myself. And by combining the power of video with solo ads, you cannot not make money because you're using the lowest cost of traffic while letting other people's videos do the educating, pre-selling, and selling for you. The method you're about to access does not require any work from you. It's all copy pasting and setting up one time in less than 30 minutes. Then it's all about getting leads and letting the automation do its thing. Now, I don't know how you feel about it, but I like saving time when I set up passive income systems. I truly hate trading my precious time for money. I started my solo ads business so I could have more time on my hands and more money in my pocket. Otherwise, I might as well just get a regular 9-to-5 day job, right? So this is why I think you'll love my new and exclusive training that shows you exactly how I profit by using solo ads and other people's videos. Exclusively and for the first time ever, I've recorded a set of easy-to-follow videos that shows you how you can profit online by using solo ads and other people's videos for maximum conversions and profit starting today. Introducing Solo Ads Embeds. You get 5 amazing modules covering everything you need to know about getting sales from solo ads and using embedded videos. And you learn all the steps to master everything in just a few minutes. So in Module 1, the first thing I'll show you is how to find the right types of videos you can use to get people engaged in whatever you're promoting. I will show you the best niches in which it works best for you to make maximum profits. It's 100% copy-paste. Then in Module 2, I'll be showing you how to set up your lead capturing funnel. I'll show you how to create your email list, how to upload your email campaign, how to create your opt-in form and lead capturing page, and how to track your opt-ins. It's a one-time setup, it's 100% copy-paste, and the required time to set up is 15 to 20 minutes. Then in Module 3, I'll show you how to drive traffic to get leads and make profits. So I'll be showing you how to make a tracking link to track your opt-ins. I'll show you 2 different solo traffic sources you can use to profit fast. It's 100% copy-paste, and it takes about 3 minutes to set up. And in Module 4, I'll show you how you can 10x your profits by copy-pasting your way to financial freedom. I'll show you how you can generate even more sales from the same leads. I'll show you how you can scale up. And this is 100% copy-paste as well. And in Module 5, I'll show you an alternate method that gets you even more sales effortlessly. When you grab solo ads and embeds, I go the extra mile to show you an alternate method to make even more sales. This trick can also be used in your email campaign and in your email broadcasts. I could have made this part of the training a separate one-time offer, but I prefer giving you all the edge you need right from the get-go so you can profit as soon as today. I can assure you that you'll thank me later for showing you this untold method. And this method is 100% copy-paste as well. And don't let this special opportunity pass you by, especially if you want a complete training that shows you how to get massive conversions by using the power of video. Especially if you want to save time by using other people's videos to generate sales. Especially if you want to benefit from all the leverage and automation an online business like this can provide you. And if you want to set up your business only one time in less than 30 minutes, this is it. Because it's an evergreen business model that is super easy to replicate. So if you want to secure your time freedom and financial freedom, don't wait and get instant access today, because this special discounted pricing will not be around forever. If you wait and come back later, I can't guarantee that you'll still be able to get it for this low, as we're planning on bringing it up to $197 real soon. Not to mention, if you're looking for a real proven business model that works, this is it. This 100% copy-paste method can allow you to scale your income to 6 figures and beyond, to the point where you won't even have to spend a single dime out of your pocket to get clients and generate sales every day. But one thing's for sure, every second you wait is time you could already be making money by using other people's videos to convert and profit. So all you need to do is go below this video right now and you'll get instant access. I'll see you on the inside.